Hi students. So very good morning. So most welcome most welcome to our Harvey online classes. So that in our mathematics classes, students we all are that doing well. So I hope that once again the welcome in our classes. So students, in today we are going to learn that is the same the chapter, so decimals in the remaining part of exercise 6c. So in 6c exercise in previous classes up to 1 to 7 means already solved for in exercises in today classes. So in same exercises in 6c, so 7th main, now I will start it in 8th main. Students, can you see? 7th main in already we have completed in the previous classes, in today classes, so fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks, students, and first you have to recall the basic concept. In a basic concept in decimals, the decimals numbers is divided in 10, 100 or thousands. So the decimals point will be shifted to the in the left. So left side means students, just you have to recall, this is very important, this points means. So first you have to see in concepts. So first exercise in 6 in decimal number, the decimal numbers that divide. So 10, 100 or thousands. This, what is this? So decimals numbers divide. This is very important. Already you know the symbols divide. So 10, 100 or 1000 or thousands. Okay. So 10, 100, uh, 10, 100 or thousands. So you have to do the divide. The decimals points will be shift to the left side. So this is point is very important. So the decimal point, the decimal point will shift to the left. Students, observe this these 2 points. This is most important of the 2 points because the decimals numbers divide 10 or 100 or thousands. Yes, so 10 or 100 or that is a thousands. But can you see in the next point, the decimals point will be shift left side. Left means, can you see in this side you have to take this is a right side, this side you have to take that is a left. So can you see in one problem? So questions, this is 97. So page number, you have to open the page number, that is a 97. Fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Students, this is the most important in higher classes performs in decimal chapters. So can you see for this? The questions is what given. 71, the 17.1 divided 10. So what is the result? So this is the question. Okay, so next question number in this is A, the question is A, this is question B. The question numbers in the 8th main. So next question, the 42. The 42.08 divided 10. So what is the, you have to get what is the result? So you have to find that result. Students, can you observe this question? The decimals numbers you have to divide in 100, 10 or thousands. So the decimals point will be shift. This is very important. Shift to, that is the left side. So left side. Left side means. So can you observe this question? So this is question of 17.1 in order to divide 10. Students, how do you find this question? So what is the, we will get the result. What is the result? So observe this 17.1. 17.1. So the 1 point afterwards, because this is the 1 means you have to consider that is a tens places, because so 70 is the 1 places, so 1 is a 10 places, but point afterwards you already the tens, hundreds, thousands, so that 10,000s you have to take it. But here students, can you observe here? So this is how many zeros? This is a 1 0. Because 10 is 1 0, 100 means 2 zeros, 1000 count how many zeros? 1000 is 3 zeros, 10,000 is 4 zeros. Lakh already lakh means how many zeros? Already you have to learn in the number and numeration chapters. So that 1 lakh means that is 5 zeros. But just can you see in here given 10, 10 is a 1 zero. Yes, the 1 zeros means, so just you have to take in first point, the decimals point will be shift to left side. Yes, students, how many zeros here? The 1 0, you have to shift for in left side. So this is the right side, because you have to take here. Consider for this right side, this is how to consider left side. But students, can you see the sentence here? What? Shift to the left. Shift to the left means you have to shift to the, you have to shift the points is the left sides. So here point means you have to shift for here. So what is the results? 1.71. So this is the result, because you have to divide it. 17.1 divided 10. So we will get the result. So we will get what that? That is the 1.71. Students, yes, I hope that we understood this point. So just you have to give the very concentrated. Students, what for here? So here 10 means here given to 10. So 17.1 divided 10. 10 means how many zeros, students? Here 1 0, because we have to shift in one number afterwards point, that is the left side, not for right side. So this is already I written here. This is a left side. This is how to take it right side, because here what, the decimal point will be shifted to the left, because so 17.1 divided 10. So that is the, you have to write for here, that is, students, what is the result? So 17.1, the divided 10 means, so you shift to the left side, what is the result for here? That is the, so 10. Yes, so you have to write for here point. So you have to write for here 1.71, because how many zeros here? 1 0, because one number afterwards, that is the right side, you have to shift the point. Okay, so this is okay. Next question. So already I written in the next question. So that is what the B, question number B. The question number B, 42 point, students, in 42 point 0.08 divided 10. Students, 0.8 divided 10. Yes, students, already 10 means how many zeros? 10 is 1 zeros, because the one number afterwards you have to shift the point. That is yes, that is, don't forget left side. Yes, so 4.208. We will get the result. So we will get answers. What is that? So that is 4.208. So how to write for here? 4.208, because students, because that if you have to stick the you have to divide in 100, 10,000s, so you have to stick left side, that is a rule. Okay, so next question in this means, so here it means, students, question number E and so already A and B already I solved. So E and F, so given to different. So can you see in question number E? The question number E, 81.6 divided, that is 1000. What is that? So 1000. So next question in F, the question number F, 90. So 984.72 the divide 10,000. The divide 10,000. So what is the result? Students, see for here 81.6 divided 1000. So thousands means how many zeros for here? Yes. This is how many? 3 zeros. So three number of rows have to shift the point in the left side. This is very important. You have to shift to that is a left side. So left side means students only a given. So 81.6 divided thousands. Yes. So you are only given the two numbers afterwards. So you are not given means how to take zeros because you have to write for here point. So 0.0816. So you are not given means point afterwards is not given the numbers means yes, you have to take it that is zero. The not given, the value is not given means so that is you have to take the zeros because you have to write for here. So this is not for here in this question. So 0.081 this is the result students because here how many 0? 3 0. 3 number afterwards is point. Here not given means you have to take the zeros. So you have to write here point. The point afterwards is not given the numbers means must and should you have to take the zeros. That is the rule students. Okay. So next. So next question is can you see for here? So next you have to observe the students. 984 is 984.72 divided 10,000. So 10,000 means how many zeros? The 10,000 is the given 4 zeros. The students in 10,000 is that is a 4 zeros. The 4 zeros means so you have to shift to you have to shift to in a point in the left sides. Left sides how many numbers of stores you have to write the points means because you are given only 3 numbers. So you have to take in again one number is not given. Yes, you already know that is you have to write the zeros because that's 0.98472. Students, how many zeros here? This is the 4 zeros because the 4 number afterwards here not given. You have to take the zeros but point afterwards. So here already you know that not given. They are not given the zeros mean any numbers means so must and should you have to take the zeros because what is the result means 0.098472. Students understood this is very this 2 points is very important for the main the 8, 9 and 10 main this is very important this 2 points. Yes. So already 8 or 9 and 10 means this is very important. Especially 8 and 9. These two means in this exercise and 6C, these 2 points is very important. Students, you don't forget these 2 points because you know that how to divide in 100,000, 100 or 10,000 lakh. So that is you have to shift. You have to shift to 2. It is the left side of the points. Okay. So next. So students, in the next means so next mean is what? That is a 9. The divide. So 9 is a divide. So remaining questions you have to solve to ohm. Okay. So in the 9th main. The 9th main divide 1345.02 divided 10,000. So what is the results? Okay, next in question number that is how to take in 32 in B 32.23 divide thousands. Students, in already I told so 8 and the 7th main that is method is same because to same method you have to apply that. Divide means first you have to question can you see first you think students first. How do you solve for in the same method already I told in that is what 8 and 7 means complete inside. Students, you know the 1345.45.02. Students, how many zeros here? This is a 4 zeros. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Yes. So you know the decimal number, the decimal point will be shifted to the left. Left means you see how many zeros? 4. The 4 number afterwards 1, 2, 3, 4 because you have to shift for here point. So your point after, before not before all we have to numbers. Before not given that you have to write 0. So what is the result? Because 0.134502. Students, you have to don't confuse your, don't write for in 5 afterwards point because already I shift to point for here. Already I shift left sides because already divisibles. The divisibles is completed means that is a divisible method completed afterwards. That is a left term. That point, the number afterwards have to shift to the left sides. So already year to year that is a point is shift. So we will get the answers. So that is 0.134502. So this is the answers. Okay. So next. Next is see students 32.23. 32.23 divide thousands. Thousands is how many zeros? Thousands is 3 zeros. So see here 3 zeros. This number, this point, how to in divide. So already you know the decimals is divide 10, 100, thousands means, so that is how to shift to point that is the left sides. So here 3 zeros means 3 number afterwards you have to point, you have to shift. Here only given 2 numbers, so you are not given means you have to take the zeros. So here come to that point here. So because 0.03223. So here you are not given, only 2 numbers is given. So you are not given, already I told. So you have to write the zeros. So point afterwards is not given any numbers means, so you have to take the zeros because, so you have to write for here. But 0.03223. Okay students, in then, so next question. So next is different. So C and D I will give to do homework. So can you see in F? F is given F and D. So this is both in, this is a different questions. The question what D and F. D 0.003 the divide 100. So next in F, the question number F 0.0071 the divide thousands. Yes, 0.0071 the divide 1000. Okay, students, the same method. So you have to apply in this D question number D. Okay, 0.003 the divide 100. 100 how many zeros? 2 zeros. This point 2 number afterwards have to shift to point, shift it because here only given that 1 0, so you have to take in again 1 zeros, so you have to write here point. Friends, 1 here 0.003 means you have to write the points here. Here not given, you have to take it, so you have to write here point. Okay, the point afterwards is not given already. I told you have to write the zeros. So what is the result in 0.00003? So this is the result. Okay, next this next student. So you have this method already given that different number is given, but method is will be same. D and F. Yes, D and F is will be same method. Students, thousands. How many zeros? Yes, that is a 3 zeros. So you have to shift the point 3 number afterwards. Can you see 0071 then 1000. This afterwards you have to point, you have to shift to point in the left side. Only you are given 1 numbers, but you have to sit with 3 numbers after. You are not given means you have to write the zeros. So point here set it. Point afterwards is not given. You have to take the zeros. So what is the you get the result is 0.000. So again 2071. Yes, that is what 0.000071. This is the result. Okay, students. This is this means this point already I told. This is the most important. These 2 points. Okay. So next. Okay. The remaining questions you solve to home in same method, students. Okay. Next in the divide. So divide means very easy for in a divide. 10th main. Question number 8, 400.8 divided 400. So what is that? The next question. Question number C, 1563.300 the divide 3000. Yes. So next. Students, can you see for in this question number first? The first you have to write the divide means in common division method. Okay. So first you have to write in 400.08 the divide 400. Yes, that is the divide 400. Okay. So next 400 students in the point of words. See here 400 ones the 400 to do subtracted 0 minus 0 minus 0 again 0 minus 0 4 minus 0 next is a 4 minus 0. Okay, so what is the you have to take in down 8 the point afterwards you have to write here point. So one zeros you have to take it right for in the remainder zeros because two you are not given better students you have to write for here number of course is not given any number means you have to take we will take 2 zeros in the quotients 2 zeros but I will take in here only 2 zeros in quotients because dividend so I will write in quotients with 2 zeros because we get to down in 3 numbers at a time so write for here 2 zeros. Okay, so next in 800 so already 400 twos are 800 400 twos are 800 how to do subtraction remainder will be that is a remainder we will get that is 0 so remainder will be will get the zeros means so what is that we will answer that is a 1.002 that is you have to consider in quotient means that is quotient you will consider that is a result. Okay, so questions is what for here 400.8 the divide 400.8 divide 400 so that is 1.002 that is the result. Okay, so next question you can see is C. So this is question number A. A is completed. So can you see in the C question the question number C 1563.300 sorry that is 300. Okay, next the divisor is 3000. Students, divisor is what? That is a 3000. So divisor is 3000 means so you have to take in students You can observe this. Given question what 1563, to comparing divisor and dividend, 1563 is the lesser. So you're comparing the divisors. So we have to write for here again 2 zeros you have to take it. So complete you have to take on for year 15,630. So now to write for a 0 point. Okay. So next 3,000 paisa. Students, 3,000 paisa what? So 3,000 paisa means you have to take 15,000. So now to do subtract. What is that? So we come to in the down, that is so 3, here 3, 6, 0, 0. So down you have to take in 0. Okay. So next. 3,000 to the students in a 3,000 to the 6,000. You have to do subtracted 0 minus 0, 3 minus 0 means 3, again 3, so this. Okay, next. That is how to take again 1 0 is so 3,300. Yes, the nearest number of thing 3,000 means that is it. You have to take in 3,000 ones are 3,000 ones are 3,000s. Okay. What is the remaining 0, 0, here 3, here 0. Okay. Students, only the remainder is left for here 300. 300 means, just you can you see in quotient. Quotient, one time you have to write for in the point, so you have to take in remainder or divisor's point, you have to take in any time in 0, that is the rule of the divisions. So already you know that the point, so you have to write for here 0. So again you have to write zeros, what is the value? That is a 3,000. 3,000 means you have to compare in divisor and dividend, it will be same. So 3,000 ones are 3,000. You have to do subtracted. Students, what is that? Answers means that is a 0.521. So the 1563, 1563.300 divided 3000. So that is we will get the result 0.521. What we will get the result. Okay. In same method, students. So already in the debate concepts, 10th means the two questions are already, two problems already solved. In the same methods, we will remaining questions you solve it. Students in next classes, in the same exercise, the remaining part, the 11th main, 12 and 13, I will take to continue. Okay, students. So thank you.